Does your flash drive look smaller than it actually is? Well, messed up partitions may be you to blame. So a good example of this is if you plug in your drive, like your SD card, USB drive, flash drive. There we go, mine popped up. I know this is an 8 gigabyte one, but if you look here, it comes up as 239 megabytes. So what could be causing this? Well, it could be messed up partitions. So first thing you want to do is you're going to right click on your PC, click manage. And that's just going to load up. There we go. I'm going to click on disk management. And here we have our two drives. You have your internal drive. In my case, it's an SSD, 120 gigabyte. And then here's my 8 gigabyte flash drive, and it's showing as basically 8 gigabytes. So there's my partition, but why isn't it showing it up here? That's the question. Well, what I'm going to try and do is combine them. So right click delete. And normally in this case what you do is click extend, but it's not working right now. So when disk management fails you, you go into the command prompt. So to access the command prompt, you're going to do one of two things. You're either A, going to click on your start button and then start typing, or B, hit the Windows key, hold that down, and then tap S, and type in CMD. Command prompt. Over here, what you're going to do is you're going to type disk part. Press enter. Press enter. There we go. Then what you're going to do is you want to list the drives. So you want to type list disk. And now it's showing us our two disk drives. Our main hard drive, 111 gigabytes, and our flash drive, which is almost 8 gigabytes, or 7460 megabytes. So from there, we're going to want to go select disk, and in this case, it's disk 1 we want to select, so disk 1. Then we want to list the partition, so you can type list partition, or just list part, but I'll type in partition so it works both ways. And now here we have partition 1, that's the only one we have because, see back here, we deleted this one, which makes it black, so it's not really going to show up on a list of active partitions. Now we want to go select partition, or just select part 1, not selected. From there, we just want to type in delete part, so I'm going to delete the partition. And it's deleting it right now. There we go, it's deleted. And you could close it out by hitting that, or just type in exit if you want to be really, coding like. And now we should go back here, and it shows us that we have a fully unallocated drive, but we're not done yet, because if we go here, it's not formatted properly yet. It's still unallocated. So you want to right click it, click new simple volume. It's going to make a new volume. Oh, didn't work. Okay, now it works. New simple volume. Next. You could just skip through all this. Change to it. I guess in this case, you can only do FAT32, but in any other case, you may have other options. You can label it whatever you want. If you want to do quick format, leave that checked. That just makes it faster, and I always leave that checked. It never really affects me any other adversely or anything. Then next, finish. And now it's just going to format. And there we go. And now we have the full volume back up and running again. So that is how you fix up a drive with some messed up partitions. Hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.